Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to dive deep into a powerful concept that has transformed many lives around the world. The power of positive thinking and manifestation. Whether you're new to this or have been practicing it for some time, this video will give you the tools, insights, and inspiration you need to start manifesting your dreams and creating the life you desire. So grab a comfy seat, take a deep breath, and let's get started. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is positive thinking? Simply put, positive thinking is the practice of focusing on the good, even when things are challenging. It's about seeing opportunities in every situation and choosing to think thoughts that support your growth, happiness, and well-being. Positive thinking doesn't mean ignoring problems. It means acknowledging the difficulty, but choosing to approach it with optimism, hope, and a solution-oriented mindset. It's about choosing to believe that no matter what, things can and will get better. Studies have shown that people who practice positive thinking have better health, lower stress levels, and stronger resilience. It helps you keep your energy high and your mind focused on what's possible rather than what's going wrong. Now let's talk about manifestation. You may have heard this term before, but what does it really mean? Manifestation is the process of bringing your desires into reality by focusing your thoughts, energy, and intentions on them. It's about aligning your mindset with the things you want to attract into your life, whether it's love, success, abundance, health, or happiness. At its core, manifestation is based on the idea that our thoughts have power. As we think positively and align our energy with our goals, we begin to attract the people, opportunities, and situations that can help us make those dreams come true. You might be thinking, but how does this really work? Well, manifestation is often about shifting your mindset, clearing limiting beliefs, and creating space for abundance. When you believe in yourself and stay focused on your goals, the universe starts to respond in beautiful ways. Here's the magic. Positive thinking and manifestation go hand in hand. Positive thinking helps you cultivate an abundant mindset, which is essential for manifestation. If you're constantly thinking negatively, focusing on what you don't have, or believing that you're not worthy, you're blocking the flow of energy and abundance. On the other hand, when you focus on gratitude, optimism, and the belief that your desires are already on their way, you send out a powerful signal to the universe. This signal invites the very things you want into your life. When you combine positive thinking with the process of manifestation, you're not just hoping for things to happen. You're actively creating them through your thoughts, energy, and actions. It's a partnership between your inner world and the outer reality. Now that you understand the power of positive thinking and manifestation, let's break down some simple steps that you can start using today to manifest your dreams. Step 1. Clarity. Get clear on what you truly want. Take some time to reflect on your goals and desires. Write them down. The more specific you are, the better. You can't manifest something if you're unsure about it. Step 2. Positive affirmations. Start using positive affirmations that align with your goals. Repeat these daily. For example, if you're manifesting a new job, say, "I am worthy of the perfect job, and I attract the right opportunities." Affirmations help train your mind to focus on abundance. Step 3. Gratitude. Gratitude is one of the highest frequencies you can emit. The more grateful you are for what you have, the more the universe gives you to be thankful for. Take time each day to list 3 things you're grateful for. Step 4. Visualize. Visualize your desires as if they've already happened. See yourself living your dreams. This creates a powerful emotional connection to your goals, amplifying the manifestation process. Step 5. Take inspired action. Manifestation is not just about wishing and waiting. You have to take inspired action. This means taking small steps toward your goal, following your intuition, and being open to opportunities as they arise. Manifestation doesn't always happen overnight, and it's common to make mistakes along the way. Let's look at a few common ones. Mistake 1. Doubt. One of the biggest barriers to manifestation is doubt. If you don't truly believe that what you're manifesting is possible, it's harder for the universe to deliver it. Mistake 2. Focusing on lack. Another mistake is focusing on what you don't have, rather than what you do. This only attracts more lack. Shift your mindset to focus on abundance. Mistake 3, lack of patience. Manifestation takes time. Don't lose faith if things aren't happening as quickly as you'd like. Trust the process and keep believing. So, to summarize, the power of positive thinking and manifestation can truly change your life. It starts with believing in yourself, focusing on the good, and aligning your energy with your desires. Use positive thinking to shift your mindset and take inspired action toward your dreams. The universe is always ready to respond, but it's up to you to send out the right signals. I hope this video inspired you to start manifesting the life you truly deserve. Remember, you are worthy of all the abundance, love, and success that's coming your way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more spiritual insights. And of course, comment below and let me know what you're manifesting in your life. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Until next time, keep thinking positively and manifesting your dreams. Much love and light to all of you.